Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Fiona Salsabila. In this video, I will present one of the journals. The title is The English Camp as a Method of Promoting Fun English at Elementary School. Learning foreign language using the Fun English Camp method is not new in non-speaking English countries, especially in English-speaking countries such as Malaysia, Brunei, India, and Singapore. However, for the basic education improvement in Indonesia, the Fun English Camp method is still something new in the implementation and assessment of learning outcome, even though it is still at the stage of promoting English to elementary school students. The scientific fact support this that Indonesian primary school curriculum does not officially require that English is a priority subject to be taught, especially in government-owned primary schools. So, methods of learning English are still a foreign issue for the basic education improvement. It is different if private primary school in big cities on average very adaptable to teaching English as a compulsory language, so that various methods such as English Camp are easily found in every elementary school unit. Besides, on this consideration, the research would be to strengthen an opinion that official Fun English can be used as an interesting method to be available in the elementary school environment when English language teaching has become a compulsory program in Indonesia, officially and nationally. Learning for children need a method, strategy, and a fertile learning climate in which the environment is conducive and mutually supportive to support learning and provide a sense of security and fun for students who are indeed in their infancy. It was clear again that learning organizers must understand and create an atmosphere of learning nature that supports the growth and development of learning with the support of infrastructure and human resources. So for that, it is creation that the English Camp is one of the criteria mentioned above. It is possible that learning a language English as a foreign can feel very attractive and fun. English lesson have been taught for a long time. Even many early childhood education institutions and kindergartens have started to introduce English. However, when Indonesian children enter school, English is officially resumed at the junior high school level and continue in high school. Even in tertiary institution, English is also given in the early years of study. found the English lesson teaching in Indonesia come with a challenge as an education issue and multiple cultural diversities. This has made English learning remains a problem for graduates and postgraduate students. Even though they have been taught English for years, their ability, let alone to write in a scientific context, is still difficult to understand even an information context. There are 4 steps identified in the PRISMA protocol. Those are identification, screening, eligibility, and included. In this search, researchers uses the PRISMA protocol and instrument for collecting data. Research review 25 scientific publication and discussion for English Chem. This publication includes various relevant books and journals. Research show that found English Chem as a positive impact in promoting English learning among elementary school students. This evidence is supported by various scientific publications and studies that we have reviewed. The recent study suggests that English Chem was effectiveness as a model in teaching English as a foreign language. The foreign language teacher must find new and creative teaching methods both inside and outside the classroom. Moreover, a creative approach to learning is using selective method, innovative media, interesting techniques, and fun learning styles. As the result, the application of the fun English Chem method, which is highly preferred and recommended by the foreign language learning curriculum. Creative learning can be obtained when elementary school teachers are given the task of teaching foreign language with the most interesting method, namely the English Chem, which he studied 3 years ago. Park's finding also confirmed that the Korean until Japan's English Chem is a program for deepening English teaching in Korea, categorized as teaching English language and literature, which must be interesting and meaningful for students. His study of the deepening of English began in Korean for a long time. The way the English Chem present is an improvement approach for student learning and teaching outside the classroom. Mustaqim and Ismail studies about how much influence the learning program has through English Chem activities to improve students' comprehensional skill in several English development courses in Marogain, with the aim of wanting to know how to improve students' comprehension skill through the English Chem program. They saw that the English Chem strategy was very strategic, and the result was that the English Chem method was very appropriate to be available to promote English learning, especially for beginners. Will Noguchi examined the impact of an intensive English Chem program on reducing students' sport of English and understanding competition in the context of learning foreign language. The result of his study showed that by taking part in an English camp, even if only briefly, the program had an impact of reducing that embarrassment factor for some participants, and at the same time improving their understanding of the fear of communication in English. This result can be considered that the level of English proficiency of students has a relatively large effect on how to handle communication. He views the importance of adopting English language comes as well discussed from the perspective of the government's education policy in Japan. While English camp at the university level aims to get input and lesson so that is effective for campuses to get used the speaking English in academic improvement. So in conclusion, Fun English Camp has proven to be an effective method for learning English. This method has the potential to be available more widely in various other education settings, not only in Indonesia, but also in other countries that face similar challenge in teaching English. That's all from me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.